Hi guys, welcome to Anu Sandy Vlogs. So today we are going to visit Bagadari Waterfalls, which is about 40 kilometers from the city of Jabalpur. And so now we are on Jabalpur Sagar highway, and the roads are amazing. Offers you great scenic views, and will take you to your destination in less than an hour. So this place that we are going is less explored, or rather less visited around Jabalpur. And one thing we'll straight away recommend is that only go to this place if you are in large groups. As local interference is very high, and you can guess what I really want to convey here. So yeah, this place is not for family picnics, but you can spend a good 30-40 minutes here and enjoy the scene. Yeah, but do come here at your own risk. So we clicked some pictures and then headed back to Sagar highway towards Kheda. And a few kilometers down the road towards Sagar, this is one place on the right side of the highway where most of the families were having picnic. So this offers you very calm and relaxing views. You can have your lunch and then continue your journey. So yeah guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the scenic and keep supporting us. We'll try to bring you more and more videos of these explored and unexplored places.